Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Hope you all are great. Keep yourself safe and eat healthy food. Now, let's get into the class. Last class, we learned comparison of adjectives. There are three types of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Last class, we discussed only positive degree. Now, let's take a quick recap. What is positive degree? Positive degree is used to refer one object, person or place without making any comparison. There are some rules to identify positive degree in a sentence. Let us recall the rules. First rule: if adjective in a sentence does not compare anything is known as positive degree. Second rule: if adjective compares with as and compares two objects equally are also considered to be positive degree. Third rule: if adjective compares with not so as and in a negative form is also known as positive degree. We use adjectives only in positive degree. Now, let's move on to the second one, comparative degree. First, we see what is comparative degree. Comparative degree means comparing two persons or objects. Comparative degree is marked by adding er to the adjectives or the word more. Now, let's take a look in the sentence. Chennai is bigger than Madurai. Here, we already know the definition of comparative degree. It always compares two objects or persons. Now, come to the sentence. We are comparing two cities which are objects. Here, Chennai is very big compared to Madurai. Hence, in a comparative degree, we must add er to the adjective followed by the word than. There are some rules we should follow while identifying or using the comparative degree. Now, let's see them through some examples. First rule: one syllable adjectives are changed into. Okay, children, you may ask the question, what is one syllable adjectives? Now, let us see what is one syllable. The words which have only one vowel and one or two consonants and cannot be divided is known as one syllable words. For your understanding, let's take a word tall. Here we have only one vowel A and three consonants. In English, there is a rule: we cannot divide a word without a vowel and a consonant. Each syllable at least should have one vowel and one consonant. So, these words are known as one syllable words. In positive form, tall. In comparative form, taller than. We should add er followed by than. Small, small in positive form, smaller than in comparative form. Big, bigger than. Long, longer than. Next rule: two or more syllable adjectives are changed into. Okay, children, what is two syllables? The words which can be divided into two or more parts and has many consonants and vowels are known as two syllables. Let's take the word honest. Here we can divide the word into honest. So there is two syllables. In positive form, honest. In comparative form, more honest. We should add more followed by the word than. difficult in positive form, more difficult than. Courageous, more courageous than. Beautiful, more beautiful than. Let's see this sentence. A rose is more beautiful than daisy. We just now learnt about two syllables words, and the word more is used only while using the words which are made up of two or more syllables. Now look at the sentence. We have the word beautiful which has three syllables. So we cannot use er to the given adjective. Instead, we are using the word more followed by than. Next rule. Irregular adjectives change into. Okay children, what are irregular adjectives? Irregular adjectives are that do not change form by adding er or more. Let us take a word good. We cannot say gooder or more good in comparative degree. Instead, we use a word better to highlight the word good in comparative degree. In irregular adjectives, in positive form, we used bird. Comparative form, worse. Many, more. Little, less. Example, you play tennis better than I do. Okay children, now let's take a quick recap. What is comparative degree? Comparative degree means comparing two persons or objects. Comparative degree is marked by adding er to the given adjectives or the word more. There are some rules to identify comparative degree in a sentence. First rule, one syllable adjectives are changed into. Tall, taller than. Second rule, two or more syllable adjectives are changed into. Honest, more honest than. Next rule, irregular adjectives change into. Good, better. Okay children, do the assignment. Thank you. Take care.